Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today we gotta talk about LCS. This is actually my third video on LCS today. I'm on a roll, baby, and I'm not stopping right now. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm saying this coin is not what you think it is. And as you can see right now, as we speak, it's dumping. I told you guys, if in the previous video, I said, if it don't hold and respect the 14.4 range cent support, if you don't respect the 14.4 cents range support, we are going to dump. And it's looking like around 11 to 12 to 10 cents will be the next targets. Now, what do I mean when I say LCS is not what you think it is? I'm done, right? I'm not saying I'm done in terms of I'm selling the coin, but I'm looking at it from a completely different aspect of an investor. See, a lot of people that were in the stock market, they looked and they invented and they had a target of a 10-year investment plan, a 15-year investment plan, because they looked at stocks and companies that could be here for a very long time, such as Apple, such as Amazon, such as Nike, such as Coca-Cola, such as Starbucks. A lot of these billionaire investors you see today, like Warren Buffett, stuff like that, they had an actual distinct 10 to 15 to 20-year target plan of just DCA and actually constantly investing into stocks. Now, that's how I'm moving with LCS. Of course, I will be taking profits on the side, but I really want to be an LCS investor for these next 10 to 15 to 20 years, and I'll show you why in this right here. At the end of the day, this is MiCA regulation license approval roadmap, right? Now, what exactly is MiCA, right? MiCA regulation stands for Market in Crypto Asset Regulation and creates a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets within the European Union, the EU, which is huge, ensuring investor protection, market integrity, and financial stability while fostering innovation in the crypto asset market. MiCA regulation in brackets MiCA encompasses all 30 member states of the European Economic Area, EEA, right, including Liechtenstein, where LCS is headquartered and has been supervised and regulated for over 4 years. It represents the first crypto law spanning many nations, creating a pan-European crypto market with a population exceeding 450 million. Repeat, a population exceeding 450 million. You see why I'm talking about this like it's a stock that's going to grow for these next 20 years. Yes, in the bull run, it's going to go crazy, possibly go to like $3 to $5 to $10. But I'm talking about in the bear markets where LCS price is ugly. I want to have a set scheme or set routine of actually monthly investing into the token, because like being regulated for 4 years without any dispute at the end of the day, and being a coin that wants to tap into an untapped market such as the European crypto opportunities that can be brought with LCS becoming a blockchain bank, it shows me that this is a coin. It's going to take time to get these connections up and going. They have a lot of connections already, but it's going to take a lot more time to have their footprint and a financial footprint left in this and disrupt the European economy. It's gonna take a while for that. So let's carry on reading, right? That's the reason why I'm in long term, because I'm thinking like I'm done just thinking of selling all my LCX at one point. Liechtenstein Blockchain Act and LCS regulatory advantage. Liechtenstein is set to adopt the markets in crypto asset regulations, with the law coming into force February 1st, 2025. This adoption marks a significant step in aligning Liechtenstein's regulatory framework with the European Union's efforts to harmonize crypto asset regulations across member states. Liechtenstein has become the leader and role model for regulation in cryptocurrency industry. In groundbreaking move, Liechtenstein's parliament unanimously passed the Token and Trusted Technology Service Provider Act TVTG, also known as the Blockchain Act, on October the 3rd, 2019. Liechtenstein, USA. Liechtenstein Parliament approves Blockchain Act anonymously. The Library of Congress, Liechtenstein Parliament adopts Blockchain Act. The legislation, which came into force on January 2020, positions Liechtenstein as the first country to establish comprehensive regulation for the token economy, setting a global precedent for the blockchain technology and crypto regulation. LCS is a Liechtenstein-based fintech and blockchain company, was a key player in this new regulatory landscape. From its inception, LCS has been dedicated to operating under strict due diligence laws similar to those governed by neobanks and other fintech entities. This regulatory framework ensured that LCS was supervised rigorously, adhering to anti-money laundering (AML) and combating the financing of terrorism regulations right from the start. Okay, this is why it's important, right? Because at the end of the day, LCS is regulated. Do you understand that for a country to regulate LCS, it takes a lot of deep diving research to make sure this coin is actually compliant? And a lot of these coins right now, these big exchanges we have today, right, like the ones we know, like Binance, a lot of these, they do money laundering. A lot of these are not really fully legal exchanges. Okay, I'm just being honest. A lot of these are not fully legal CXXs, right? The centralized exchanges, they're not. A lot of them still are involved in a lot of criminal activities. LCS is not. They've actually already had a deep research done and looked in. I'm stuttering. They've already had a deep research and they've already been looked at. They've already been under the microscope when it comes to the regulatory clarity compliant requirements, is what I'm trying to say, okay? So you have to understand that this is really huge. And when it comes to Liechtenstein adopts MiCA for February 2025 launch, Liechtenstein is set to adopt market in crypto asset regulation, with the law coming into force on February the 1st, 2025. This adoption marks a significant aligning Liechtenstein regulatory framework with the European Union's efforts to harmonize crypto asset regulations across states. Okay, you have to understand this is going to be huge, because LCS is in the forefront of all of this. This is the reason why when I say I look at LCS today and I tell you guys that I'm not really worried about the short-term price action. I'm worried about what's going to happen long-term. And I do really believe that LCS will be a token that could be worth double digits, 3 digits, and it's just going to take a while to actually get there. And once it gets there, it's like a lot of us, we're going to be able to not have to sell our LCX, and we can actually eat off just the ROI it gives us in return over the years, because we will have so much LCX tokens that by the time you actually get to LCX being worth $100 or $50, you're a millionaire because you own 20,000 plus. You know what I'm saying? You own 20,000 plus. So I just had to make a short video really breaking a couple of things down for you guys. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button. But I'm really looking at LCS as a long-term 10 to 15 year plan, investment plan. And also I'm going to take profits on the side, which is obviously going to be main. Majority of the LCS I own, I'm going to take profits with, okay? And I'm going to leave bags in there for the bear market, but I'm going to also add every bear market and capitalize every bull run. But I'm trying to have a long-term investment plan to the point where I can live off the gains LCS gives me. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll be back with more content real soon. Peace.